Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to run multiple Roblox accounts at the same time. The first method is using the Roblox app and the website at the same time. On your computer, open up the Microsoft Store on the search bar, and from there you can search for Roblox and install the app. If you have Roblox already installed from the website, open your desired game on the browser and on the same and with a separate or alternative Roblox account, and then join the same game. Now the next method is to be a lot more simpler. It works for pretty much anybody, even people that have a lower end device. You have to search for a server called now.gg. This server will allow you to run Roblox inside of a web browser. You can sign in or make a new account there, and you can run Roblox alongside with your other windows. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how you can run multiple Roblox accounts at the same time. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.